Here are the top 5 gardening hacks to make your gardening experience more efficient and enjoyable. Number 1. Epsom Salt Boost. Use Epsom salt as a natural fertilizer to provide essential nutrients like magnesium and sulfur to your plants. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water and use it to water your plants once a month for healthier and more vibrant foliage. Number 2. DIY Seed Tape. Make your own seed tape to easily plant tiny seeds in straight rows without wastage. Lay strips of toilet paper or paper towel, apply a mixture of water and flour as glue along the paper, and then place the seeds at appropriate intervals. Roll up the tape and store it until planting time. Number 3. Coffee grounds compost. Instead of throwing away coffee grounds, add them to your compost bin. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, making them a valuable addition to compost, which helps nourish your plants and improve soil structure. Number 4. Eggshell seed starters. Save eggshells and use them as biodegradable seed starters. Clean and dry the eggshells, fill them with potting soil, and plant your seeds inside. Once the seedlings are ready for transplanting, you can directly plant the entire eggshell into the soil, providing an extra calcium boost to the growing plants. Number 5. Vinegar Weed Killer. Create a natural weed killer by mixing white vinegar with a few drops of dish soap. Spray the solution directly on the weeds in your garden, avoiding contact with desired plants. The acetic acid in vinegar will kill the weeds, while the soap helps the solution stick to the leaves.